Winter coat, not good for 30-degree weather. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is crazy hot today. I am sweating. I believe it is 33 degrees Celsius if I'm not mistaken. Today I'm going to turn myself into Tate Langdon from American Horror Story Season 1. I'm basically just going to go off a reference image that I found on Pinterest, especially for the neck area. I noticed that his skull isn't exactly anatomically correct. The eye sockets are a little bit weird and his teeth go out way past where they're supposed to. It's just very different. So I'm going to be going off my reference image every step of the way. And I'm first going to start out by priming my face and then covering my face in a really pale foundation. I'm now going to take just a little bit of that same light foundation and a spoolie and just brush that colour through my eyebrows. I don't want to hide my eyebrows, but I do want to make them lighter. Starting with the skull, I'm going to take a brown and a black body paint and mix them together. I don't want it to be super black, so that's why I'm adding in the little bit of brown, just so that it looks more like a tattoo and less like body paint. And for all of this, I'm just going to be working off my reference image and using small brushes just to create all the details.
Perfect.
I'm now going to map out the jaw area, and I'm just going to go under my cheekbones and then make sort of like a C shape on either side. Then I'll draw a straight line from the corners of my mouth out and map out all of the teeth. I'm now going to fill in my temples black and connect it to this cheekbone area, fill in these sections black, and then I'm going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow and fill in this area very lightly. I'm not going to overthink it too much, I'm just going to lightly blend it through and also going to create the little gum area. I'm now just going to take a little brush and I'm going to shade in between each tooth. Okay, I'm now going to go in and just do some general shading around the face. Okay, I'm now going to do the neck area, and it seems like it looks more complicated than it is. Hopeful. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to create 2 tendons on either side. I'm going to map out the vertebrae, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create holes in the neck, create the little tendon strings, and then fill in the empty space with that black-brown color, and I'm going to fill it in as I go just so that I don't confuse myself. But yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to shade around the vertebra, and I'm going to shade the tendon, and we'll see how things go. I'm now going to take a black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to take a very little bit of it, and I'm just going to shade everything. Now for the ears, I'm just going to take a very thin brush, and I'm going to create lines and little spider webs and things like that. I'm now just going to powder everything to make it look more like a tattoo. Winter coat, not good for 30-degree weather. Okay, so that is Tate Langdon from American Horror Story. I cannot be the only one who loves every single character that Evan Peters plays in American Horror Story. He's just top tier. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. If you want to get notified every time I upload a video, please just hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.